The first step in removing this trimmer head is to take a small Allen wrench or some kind of a thin shaft and insert it into this circular opening in here to lock the motor in place. So you're gonna rotate the trimmer head back and forth until you can lock. There you go. So now the motor is locked in one position, or in this position. So next, rotate the trimmer head clockwise, and it's as simple as that. Alright, so my replacement trimmer head is a Shakespeare brand Wine and Go universal trimmer head, bought for $20 at Lowe's. So in the package, you're gonna get the trimmer head itself and a bunch of hardware, which is kind of a shame because you won't need all of this. The reason it comes with so much hardware is because it's designed to fit a lot of different model grass trimmers, including gas powered and battery powered ones. After some trial and error, and once you found the correct nut to insert into this trimmer head, you set the hardware aside. I found it quite difficult to remove the bottom part of this this trimmer head, so I have this stiff putty knife that I'm going to assist me with. Press that down. What you're going to want to do is insert this nut so that this orientation here goes towards the top. You just press that in. Make sure you don't lose the spring. That's a very important component. And then what you're going to do is you can either reassemble the trimmer head now, or you can do it later. I'm just going to do it right now. So it goes into it. Or the two halves, they snap together like so. Oops. Might be a little bit more difficult than expected. Alright. So it's this. Insert an Allen wrench in here so you can, and now just rotate it clockwise. Perfect. Alright, finally worked. Alright, so one last thing I just want to mention, a little caveat with these grass trimmers. So this was the original stock trimmer head, and shit, they are a pain to remove, but as you can see, this one is something known as reversible, so it's symmetrical regardless of how you insert the bottom of the trimmer head into the trimmer head body. So I could do it this orientation, or I can reverse it 180 degrees and do it this rotation. It'll still snap in place. What I discovered with this Shakespeare brand trimmer head is that it's not reversible. If you look here, there's one rib on this end, and then there's two ribs on this end. So you have to line it up in order for it to snap in place. If I do it like this, it's not gonna snap together and connect. That was what was happening in the previous video clip that you saw. I was having a very hard time, and the reason I was having a very difficult time was because I did not align the ribs together. So if you see the two ribs here, and then there's the complementary part, or complementary end here on the trimmer head body, I'm gonna insert it like this, and it should go a lot more smoothly this time. Yeah, see how it just snaps in place easily like that? So yeah, just definitely be mindful of the orientation of the trimmer head, connecting pieces.